So recently, Belkin has released a slew of accessories for Apple devices, okay, and they were kind enough to send all these to me to create this video to show you guys. So are you ready to check them out? Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. Okay, so let's start the video by checking out two cables from Belkin. So both of these are USB-C to USB-C cable, and this one is called the Flex because it is more durable, and this one is called Boost Charge because it is able to charge up to 100 watt and it is up to 2 meters long. Okay, so let's check out the first one. So this is the cable, which is more durable, and it also comes with this little magnet plate for cable management, okay? So it's very convenient if you don't want cables tangling everywhere, okay? So the next one is turbocharge cable. Let's check it out. Ta-da! So this is the 2-meter cable, okay, USB-C to USB-C, and charges up to 100 watt. And that is why if you see the cable, it's thicker than normal because it transfers more data and charges faster. Next up, we have the Boost Charge Pro 4-port GAN charger by Belkin. So as you can see here, right, it has 4 little holes for us to charge. So it has 2 USB Type-C and also 2 USB Type-A, okay, and it supports fast charge up to 108 watt. And because this fast charger, GAN charger, is so amazing, it is able to charge our MacBook Pro, okay, from 0 to 50% in 39 minutes only. And while charging the MacBook Pro, we can also charge other accessories, for example, our iPhones, AirPods, Apple Watch, or even your non-Apple devices, okay? So let's check it out. This is how it looks like. Wow, it feels very solid and it's quite hefty, and it has this Belkin logo on top, and these are all the 4 ports that we can plug our things into, okay? And it also comes with 2-meter USB-C cable, okay? Ta-da! Okay, so this is the power adapter cable. This one you plug to your wall, and this one you plug to the back of this device. Let me show you. This is how it's done. And this cable is the 2-meter one that I mentioned to you about. So if you're looking for a travel charger, which is not as big as the GAN charger just now, we have this. This is the Boost Charge Pro Dual Wall Charger 65 watts. So basically this one you plug to the wall, and then you get 2 USB Type-C holes for you to charge your devices, okay? So let's check it out now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It supports up to 65 watt fast charging, and according to the box here, if you charge it to your laptop, it is 65 watt, but if you are charging it to your tablet or your laptop, it gets 45 watt, and if you charge your phone at the same time, the phone gets up to 20 watts, okay? So this is how it is. And we have reached the interesting part of the video, okay, whereby we check out power banks and stuff like that. So this one is called the Boost Charger Pro, okay, and it supports fast wireless charger for Apple Watch, plus it's also a power bank with the capacity of 10K, okay? And according to this thing, it is able to fully charge the Apple Watch Series 8 for 14 times, which is a lot, and you can also fully charge the iPhone 14 2 times. Okay, so let's check it out. Wow, so here you actually get instructions on how to charge your devices. So we can put your Apple Watch on the power bank like that, okay? And we can also plug cable from the phone to the charger, to the power bank, to charge your phone at the same time. And a cable is also provided, okay? So other than that, we also can see that there is a manual, which we don't care. And then let's pull out this thing. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's like unwrapping chocolate candy, you know. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the 10K power bank by Belkin, and this is where we charge our Apple Watch or our AirPods Pro or AirPods wireless charging case also can. And this is how it looks like at the back. There's nothing on the top. And down here, we actually have the USB Type-C port to charge your devices, and this is the button. When you press, you get to see how much power is left. Okay, so this is actually the indicator. So in the package, we also get this cute little USB-C to USB-C cable that we can plug into the power bank like this, and this side we plug to our iPhones or whatever device we want to charge, okay? Okay, I feel that this is the second most interesting gadget for this video, okay? So this is by Belkin as well, and it's called the Boost Charge Magnetic Wireless Power Bank 5K Plus Stand. I think you already understand what this is about. This is basically a magnetically attached power bank to our iPhones, and you can also stand it on the table because there is a little stand that comes out from it, okay? So this one actually has an additional 19 hours of battery life for our iPhone, okay? So let's check it out now. It is definitely a color to match the t-shirt I'm wearing today. Ding, 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 ding. So this is the Boost Charge, okay, magnetic wireless power bank 5K with stand. So this is the stand that we can actually push it out like that, okay? So how do we do it? Very simple. We just magnetically attach it to the iPhone, like that, and it will automatically charge, okay? But of course, you need to charge this thing first. I think for now, it has no battery left. Let me see. Oh, it is. So there are battery left, okay? So once I press it, it is switched on, and you can see it is charging now, okay? Let me do the animation to show you again. I have this here, and then now I will attach it to the back, and then it charges. There you go, okay? So now how do we stand our phone? Just push this thing out, okay? And we are able to stand our phones like this for, you know, playing games, watching movies, video calls or whatever. And you can also turn it around like this. So if you want to play game, you can still play game while charging the phone, and you can also stand the thing like that. Okay. And if you are charging the phone horizontally on the power bank, you actually get your standby mode activated for you, okay? So you can actually see all these widgets conveniently. We've reached the end of the video, and this is the biggest accessories from Belkin, okay? Okay, so this is basically the Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charging stand with MagSafe. As you can see here, we can charge the iPhone, we can charge the Apple Watch, we can also charge the AirPods Pro at the same time, okay? And this is how it looks like on the side. You know what? Let's not look at pictures. Let's look at the real thing, okay? Let me unbox it now. Wow. Okay, so it's like that. And we slide it out. Wow. Okay. There's no more thing inside here. Let's put it on the side and let's place it on the table. Wow, elegantly. Wow, very nice. This place is the wireless charger thing. This is for your Apple Watch, and this is for your iPhone, okay? So what I like about this is when you charge your iPhone, you can also charge it horizontally. So you still get your standby mode, okay? Wow. And let's peel this back here. Wow. Okay, so inside the package, we also have this power adapter, 3-pin power adapter, okay, for our wall. And this is where we plug to the charger. Let's try it now. Okay, so we plug it down here, like that. Okay, and there's a slot for the cable to go to the back, okay, which is nicely done by Belkin. There you go. So let's power this up and try charging 3 devices now. Okay, so we have done setting this up, powered up already. So let's place our first item, which is my AirPods Pro 2 with wireless charging case, okay? So let me put it here. Oh, it's charging. Okay, now let me put my Apple Watch. Oh, it's charging. And now let's check out the iPhone. Charging or not? It's charging. Okay, so 3 items charging at the same time, and we can also rotate the iPhone, and then we also get standby mode. So there you go guys, all the latest accessories from Belkin for your Apple devices, okay? Which one do you prefer? Let me know in comments below, and of course you can check out more details about all these products via the link below this video, okay? There's a link down there that I've already included, okay? So that is all. If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Press the subscribe button, press the bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next one. Yo.